3, 2, 1.
Which of the following Leonardo DiCaprio movies did Martin Scorsese not direct? The answer is A. Catch Me If You Can. What is a molecule made up of two subunits? The answer is C. Dimer. What kind of dinosaur is Mama Dino, who appears in the movie Ice Age: Dawn of the Dinosaurs? The answer is A. Tyrannosaurus. Which sport keeps track of the score with the words deuce and advantage? The answer is A. Tennis. Who conducted the Milgram obedience experiment? The answer is C. Milgram. Which celestial object is the shortest distance from Earth? The answer is B. Moon. In the 1978 movie Grease, Danny Zuko, portrayed by John Travolta, falls in love with an innocent girl from Australia named Sandy. What was Sandy's last name? The answer is B. Olsen. Which of the following animals have been on Earth for the longest period of time? The answer is C. Fish. A place with rings but no rivers. What am I? The answer is C. Saturn. Which of these popular food names derives from its inventor's title? The answer is A. Sandwich. Though I'm still, the world moves within me. What am I? The answer is D. A sculpture. What always runs but never walks? I can be found on a wall clock. What am I? The answer is C. Hour. A young hamster is known as what? The answer is B. A pup. Dry air consists mostly of what gas? The answer is A. Nitrogen. What is the Greek goddess of wisdom, justice, and law? The answer is A. Athena. I see without eyes, I hear without ears. What am I? The answer is C. Mountain. My pyramid features colored bands that represent what? The answer is D. Food groups. Hagrid from the Harry Potter series once cared for a creature named Norbert. What was Norbert? The answer is A. A dragon. K2 is the second highest mountain in which range? The answer is A. Himalayas. Which of these energy sources generates the least amount of pollution? The answer is B, windmill. I'm used to hang things, but I've no hands. What am I? The answer is A, hook. I'm tied around your waist, but never hold anything. What am I? The answer is A, belt. What team member is the good-looking, smooth-talking ladies' man in the A-Team show? The answer is D, face. I have a lid, but no feet or wheels. What am I? The answer is C, chair. Which designer is known for his deconstruction philosophy in fashion? The answer is C, Martin Margiela. What actress turned down the role of Nurse Ratched in the 1975 movie One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest? The answer is D, all of these. What is soft, green, and has seeds, not grass? The answer is A, avocado. Which is the largest moon in our solar system? The answer is A, Jupiter's Ganymede. How long has Tel Aviv been the capital of Israel? The answer is A, none of these. Birds have a flow-through respiratory system in which air flows unidirectionally from the posterior sacs into the lungs, then into these. The answer is D, anterior air sacs. What material is typically used for Bauhaus furniture? The answer is C, metal. Cytoplasmic determinants are distributed how in unfertilized eggs? The answer is A, unevenly. What is the primary equipment used in basketball? The answer is A, ball. Who caused all the trouble in Over the Hedge? The answer is A, Vincent. I have many faces, but no body. What am I? The answer is B, a calendar. Which band is famous for their album The Dark Side of the Moon? The answer is B, Pink Floyd. What is the most common element in a star such as the Sun? The answer is D, hydrogen. Which term best describes the movement of water through cell membranes? The answer is B, osmosis. Which item of clothing was originally intended for Arabs and Turks? The answer is B. Sari. Which city was founded by Julius Caesar in 49 BC? The answer is C. Alexandria. I have a head, a tail, and I'm not a coin. What am I? The answer is A. Snake. Which string instrument has 4 strings tuned in unison? The answer is D. Bass. Which country is not a part of the European Union? The answer is D. Croatia. Is wind power renewable or non-renewable? The answer is B. Renewable. Who is the most decorated Olympian of all time? The answer is A. Michael Phelps. What is the exact value of the mathematical constant pi, a real number which is in common use in mathematics, physics, and engineering? The answer is A. There is no answer. Which is the largest lake in the world by area? The answer is D. Victoria Lake. I'm a giant that doesn't speak. What am I? The answer is C. Mountain. Which piece of clothing has a yoke? The answer is C. Poncho. I can carry 1,000 tons on my back, yet my back is never burdened. What am I?